Hey friends, welcome back to Texas Bluesman Barbecue. I got a new series for the springtime here, 2024. I'm going to get the Lone Star Grillz pellet smoker ready for the barbecue season, and here we go. All right, y'all. I have to apologize for what you're about to see, but if you ever wonder why you season a smoker, you're about to find out. I hope you can see this carbon build up here just on the door. And this is, I've scraped it down several times so that I could go ahead and cook something. And then by the end of the cook, you can see right where it is all over again. And so anyway, this is why you season a smoker, so that the carbon doesn't stick to the walls of your inside of your smoker and then build up the way that this has. So I'm going to get in here. I'm going to take these grates out and the deflector plate. I'm going to power wash them, and then I'm going to scrape down the whole inside of this smoker and give it a new coat of seasoning, and then we'll burn it in. All right. All right, folks, well, I finally got this thing scraped down with this menagerie of scrapers and brushes and tools that I used to get this thing scraped down and clean. Apologize, I just let it go way too long. But anyway, it's clean now, and now I'm ready to get my shop vac out and vacuum this thing down and get ready to spray some seasoning in it. But first, I got to finish cleaning the grill grates and the deflector shield. Okay, so a little helpful tip here. The grease trap in the end is for grease, and if you scrape anything in it, then you're going to have to get in there with your hand and get it out, because it'll stop up your grease train. And if you leave it in there way too long, like I did, then you're going to have like some really tough scrapers to get in there, and it's hard enough to get in there anyway. So just don't leave a bunch of junk in your grease train. Make sure that you keep that thing clean, and it'll be your friend. All right, there we go.
Last night, baby, walking that old floor. I'm saying, baby, know that they are true. You put my heart on a shelf, you only take it down to play. Life ain't worth living, baby, if it's gotta be this way. All my life I've been searching for someone to love me, oh, that wanted me to stay. I thought you were the one, baby, but I guess I was wrong. Life ain't worth living, baby, if it's gotta be this way. Just let me know, baby, I'll be right by your side. The way things have been going, I really got to say, life ain't worth living, baby, if it's gotta be this way.
So hey folks, that about does it for the cleaning video. Just a couple of comments. I didn't end up using a pressure washer on the grates and everything else. The one that I ended up with was too weak, and it did absolutely nothing but spray grease on my neighbor's fence. Sorry, Matt. I did use that torch to sterilize and clean those grates and everything. It worked fantastic. It melts anything that's on there. It helps chip away and then scrape it right off. It works great. I also use that torch for my sous vide steaks to finish them off and other things. That flamethrower is pretty awesome. The gas is pretty cheap. So I got that from Amazon. The links are in the details below. There will be a door seal video coming out. If you've seen this and it's already out, go look for it, where I replaced the whole entirety of the seal. There's a video where I've taken the auger out and everything else to stop pellets from clogging up my fans. And the music, once again, is all mine. I hope you enjoyed it. And so anyway, there it was. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure that you re-season your grill probably once a year at least. If not, some people suggest every 6 months, but once a year would do good for me. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care.